Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to convert .apkm, APKs and XAPK files to APK so that we can install the APK file in any Android version. To install these two APK files, first of all install the below one, click on install, click on done. Now install this APK tool, click on install. Now click on open. Now click on allow, and here you have the APK tool running. These both apps will be provided in the description, so download them. Now go to the location where you have those files. Here I have, okay. Now let us first try with .apkm application. Click on it. Now for .apkm files, you have to convert it to .apks first. Alright, so just click on it. Now wait for it, and it is done. So we have the .apks file converted from .apkm. Now let us convert this Disney Plus .apks file to a single APK file. But before proceeding, let me tell you one thing. You have to watch the complete video because the process is a little bit different for the below two files. Okay. So now click on Disney Plus .apks file and click on anti-split, and make sure this base is selected, and one configuration file that contains HDPI, okay, and one configuration file of your language, EN for English, and click on anti-split. Use the first option, and here you have to click on default signature and click on select. Now it will decompile, recompile, and then it will pack the .apks file to a single APK. So just wait for it. You can see it is merging now, and now you can see it is compiling the files. The final step, building APK file, and you can see operation completed successfully. Click on OK from here, and you have the Disney Plus anti-split.apk file. Let us quickly convert for the termex.apks and XAPK file, the last two ones. Click on termex, click on anti-split, and here you see these options. I already told you base must be selected and one language configuration file, and you have to also select this HDPI file, okay. Click on it, and one configuration file for your architecture. This is ARM64. Others are also there, so just click on it. So if you see, we need to select these type of files while converting from split APKs to a single APK. Now click on anti-split. As usual, default signature, and use the first option and click on select. And you can see it is going very fast, and it is done. So click on OK, and you have the termex anti-split APK file. Let's finally convert the XAPK file also. Click on it, click on anti-split, and now you see a lot of options here. The first one is to select the base file, but we don't have base as the name. Instead we have the app name listed here. So just select this, the language configuration file, whichever you want. I want English, so this must be selected. Now scroll down, the architecture file configuration, and one more, the HDPI file. You can see last second one, so click it. So we have selected 4 files here, and if you select all files, then it will take a lot of time to convert from these split APKs to a single APK file. That is why we are selecting only those which are necessary and mandatory. Now click on anti-split. As usual, the same settings. Click on select, and wait for it. Compiling and building the APK file, and operation completed successfully. Click on OK. And now we have the anti-split APK file from the XAPK file also. So we converted 3 split APK files to a single APK. Let us try installing and running them to see if they works or not. First, Disney Plus. Click on install. Now you have to give it install access rights. So click on settings and turn this option on. Go back and now click on install. It is getting installed and it is installed. So click on open and you see that app works perfectly fine without any issues. Let us try installing the other one, anti-split APK of Termex. Click on install and click on install. Click on open and here you see it is working perfectly fine. Now again the last one, click on install, click on open and you can see it is also working perfectly fine. So we have successfully converted split APK files into single APK in the Android mobile. And one more important thing, that you have to choose these type of options. These are the 4 files you have to select. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.